Siona cleaned my fleece this morning. Where is Siona? Meh.
Hello, my name is Fleur. I come from a star. This is my goat. His name is Francis, although he wants me to call him Sir Goat. Who are you?
I'm Jessie. I'm Amber.
Very well. Francis.
Finally figured it out.
What have you figured out?
I figured out how we've gotten here.
Who are you? And where'd all the fairies go? By the way, your fleece is dirty. Sorry, I have to say that. I'm a truth fairy. My name's Fern.
Who are you? Francis! Who art thou? I'm Princess Warrior from France. I have escaped my pupils with the soul of better. Who art thou?
Excuse me. I had enough fun with nothing last time. Thank you very much. I'm the Princess Hazelbrook with nature, and I come from the planet not Earth. I'm meant to be in the village called Calder, and I have been married love of my life. Although she dumped me after the ceremony, so now I'm back to being a Princess Girl. That's who I am. I am Ramses III, Pharaoh of Egypt.
You just landed on this island. How are you so calm?
Sand. I put my kingdom on this. I am not afraid of sand. It should be afraid of me. My name's Annabelle. You can call me. It's not safe up here at night. Follow me. There is a resort with food and shelter. Who are you? I'm a hotel keeper. Where are we? I don't know. It's interesting. Here we are. Have some milk.
Ew, this is disgusting.
Don't be rude. Quite alright, but it's time for bed. Who are you? I want to know. Did you steal those?
No, yeah,
You're a cat.
humanoid cat.
Stealing my tiara.
Yeah. Why do you have that anyway?
I was meant to be a bride.
But you're like 11.
It's a reasonable age on my planet.
Right. Got any more bling?
No. What's going on? Is that my necklace?
No.
Francis, Fern, come on. Fern, come on. Everybody, this is Chanel. She wants to tell us something.
So there's this person who is the creator of this resort, and they're really nice, and they're going to help you.
Yeah, they're the person who made this wonderful place. Come on. Let's go.
Don't trust anyone.
What do you mean? Wait, where?
Don't.
Where?
Don't trust anyone.
Yeah, where? I don't know. Sarah.
owner of this island isn't trustworthy. She's a coconut overlord.
A coconut.
Yeah. I know it's weird, but I can't explain. I don't have much time. You need to find berries to break the spell.
Come on.
They have awakened. It's a plague. It's a plague that will kill the island. No longer lost souls, longer sheep to guide. I am a shepherd rare, a shepherd. Start with the peasant girl.
As you wish, Commander.
Hey, Slade, why are you taking those weird people?
I have to.
Why?
Otherwise, the coconut overlord will deceive.
The coconut overlord?
Yeah.
She's bad. Stop. She'll take you one day.
As if.
How dare you kill my soldier!
Dead?
I think so.
Who are you?
I am a ghost. I see everything from the waters to the trees. Henchman, you must understand. Killing the coconut won't be enough. You must feed the spirit. The spirit.
It's not me!
I will have my revenge.
Who are you?
Lost souls, longer sheep to guide. I am a shepherd rare, a shepherd.